Hello everybody, so today we have a phone that was sent to me by someone in England. They found me on YouTube. This phone has been to Australia. It has family photos, very important holiday photos on here, and yeah, let's see if we can try and bring this back. So, judging by the looks of it now, we have extreme water damage around here, which controls the home button on the top here. We've got around chestnut, which is the display chip. This is going to be very bad. This is where the problem should be lying. Around the audio IC, maybe we might need to reball that, but remember, we just need to get this phone on for the first, and then we can see what we can do. We've got a little bit of corrosion here, and we have some corrosion by the backlight. That's not a problem. Okay. That is just thermal paste. Okay, cool. So let's get started. Let me just put my fume extractor on. Right. So before we do anything, I'm just going to put some flux in this area here. Coin out. Oh, that looks lovely. So remember the dot is the bottom right. Okay. This chip here controls your display, your image on your screen. Oh, and it looks like something is really bad underneath that. So that could be an issue as well after the display chip, but let's just bring this phone back to life first, and then we'll see what happens from there. Exactly what we wanted. Let's bring that down. Okay, cool. Now, is that loose? Yep. That resistor is gone. That's very important. Before I put power to the phone, I haven't put power to the phone just yet because I don't want to throw this phone into a recovery mode or something. I really want this thing to work. Perfect. Let's find the toner board. Correctly, it's this one. Now, let's get a chestnut. I believe this is a chestnut. Yes, it is. 6S loves to drink water around the chestnut area. Okay, so dot that side. Push it around. Coins, like so. And lost the heat. Okay. Okay, so now we know we've sorted display out. There is a missing component by the audio chip. I'm not too irritated about that. How's my resistor looking there? Good. Okay. Let's check. Backlight at 400. Is the diode still alive? 200. Is the diode still alive? No. The diode looks heavily burnt. Okay. So. Yep, look, it just fell off like that. So this is going to produce our light on the phone. Let's just see if we have a pad there remaining to solder to. And we're lucky we do. I was thinking I just need to run jumpers, all of this. But we're lucky we have a pad. So I'm just going to scratch away. Okay. Drop our flux bomb. Grab a fresh diode. Where did that go? It landed here. Come to part. Okay. So we have a line there. I'm hoping for some display. Let's first try his screen. Success battery? Yes, I believe it. Because if his screen works, then we can give his screen back. So we can get the data. So, plugging in the battery. .146 Apple logo. Come on. Hey, I have the Australian photos. Woo! So yeah, I mean, just gotta dive straight in, no regrets, get all that stuff sorted. But yeah, that is crazy. I'm gonna see, maybe we could, I'm not too sure if we'd call this a working phone because of the audio chip, but we'll have a look into that and we'll see what we can do. But his data is safe and I'm very happy. So he's gonna be super happy. Thanks for watching, guys. Let me just stop this here. That was awesome.